Hello everybody, welcome back. I am Arpita Nag Sarkar, spoken English coach. In today's video, I am going to bring down two words. These two words are advanced words. The first one is segregate. Segregate. This is a word and this word means to separate, to detach, or you can say to isolate. In Hindi we call as alag karna. अलग करने को बोला जाता है segregate करना. Okay, means to separate, means to isolate or to detach. Okay, so one example is mostly schools in India do not segregate students on the basis of color, creed or caste. Okay, and the noun form of this verb segregate is segregation. Segregation. And one example is segregation created unfair treatment to many people. Now the second word. The second word is amalgamate. Amalgamate. And this is the opposite of segregate. So amalgamate is totally the opposite thing. So amalgamate means to combine or to unite into one form or into one structure. Okay, so this is totally the opposite of segregate and it's a verb, amalgamate. So one example of amalgamate is don't amalgamate the good and bad memories of the past now. Don't amalgamate the good and bad memories of the past now. Means not to combine the good and bad memories at one place now. And the noun form of amalgamate is amalgamation. So one example of amalgamation is his face is the amalgamation of his parents. Same in my case, many friends of mine tell me that my face is the amalgamation of my parents. That's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you really feel this video is a helpful one, then share this video with those people who really need this one. And if you are watching this on YouTube, then subscribe to the channel. And if you are watching this on other platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook or Instagram, then do follow me.